So ayun boy, kamusta? Kauwi ko lang galing office. Tapos nagpahinga lang saglit. Tapos eto, rekta papunta sa gym. Kasi mag-Holy Week, 'di ba? Hindi ko alam kung magsasara ba yung gym or hindi. Wala kaming update eh. So kaya ngayon, ano ba ngayon? Tuesday. Magbubuhat na kami Tuesday, tsaka baka bukas. Kasi baka sarado ng Holy Thursday eh, to Friday to Saturday, hindi namin sure. So para at least may ano na, may ano tawag na, nakabuhat na kami kung sakaling magsara man. Tapos itong vlog na to baka mabilis lang to eh, kasi ngayon biyahe, tapos gym, mamaya clip. Kung wala nang mangyari, tingin ko i-upload ko na rin siguro kaagad dyan, kahit wala masyado. So mabilis ang vlog lang. Let's go.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Ngayon na. So ayun boy, tapos na kami magbuhat. Tapos nakapark lang dito saglit sa Alpha Mart. Kasi bumili ng tinapay tsaka chicken breast si Mrs. eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung ibang binili. So na ba? Nagbabayad na ata siya sa cashier. Wala na ako ibang mapapakita sa inyo eh. Siguro yung dinner. Bago pala kami pumunta dito sa Alpha Mart, dumaan muna kami sa Tapsilugan. Yun. So pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Tapos after no, wala na. Upload ko na to. Ano lang, maliit na vlog lang. Saglit na vlog lang. Pwede na yun kaysa wala boy. Teka, pakita ko sa inyo si Mrs. Nagbabayad pa eh. Tayin lang natin saglit. Let's go. So yun boy, nakabili na sa Alpha Mart. Tapos
Every Tuesday pala.
yun, tuwing
Walang
Tuesday.
pabag,
Walang
paper
pa
bag.
paper bag si Alpha Mart. Alam ko
So,
Tuesday tsaka sa 7-Eleven Tuesday ata or Wednesday tsaka Sunday walang paper bag. Sa Alpha Mart ngayon Tuesday.
Oo, naalala ko.
Walang paper bag. Hindi ko lang alam kung dalawang beses sa isang linggo.
7-Eleven meron din pala.
Meron Wednesday,
Oo.
Sunday
Kaya
ata 7-Eleven.
yan, hawak ko lang. Tinapay. Tsaka ito. Chicken breast, tsaka chicken liver.
So yun boy, kita-kits sa bahay mamaya. Dinner na lang tapos na. Let's go. So yung boy, bahay na kami. Banat na ng dinner. Kain. Itlog tsaka tapa. Ayan. Ito yung binili namin kanina. Nag-iisip ako kung may mangyayari pa ngayong gabi. Mukhang wala na naman eh. Kami ka?
Netflix, charot.
Ayun, Netflix pala, possible. tignan natin. Pero kung wala na, after neto, edit na, upload. So yun, let's go.